Hey there, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you how to watch movies together on WhatsApp, step by step, so you can enjoy your favorite films with friends no matter where they are. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the WhatsApp app. Make sure you're logged in to the right account before moving on. Step 2. Next, on the main chat screen, you'll see a list of all your contacts. Scroll through and find the friend you want to watch the movie with, then tap on their name to open the chat. Step 3. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a small video call icon. Go ahead and tap that to start a video call. Wait a few seconds for your friend to pick up the call. Step 4. Once you're connected on the video call, look down at the bottom of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. That's the menu button. Tap on it. Step 5. Now, a small menu will pop up on your screen. From there, choose the option that says Share Screen, and then confirm your choice. This will allow your friend to see everything you do on your phone in real time. Step 6. Now that your screen is being shared, go back to your home screen. Open any app where you want to watch the movie. For example, YouTube, Netflix, or any streaming app you prefer. Just press play on the movie, and that's it. You've now learned how to watch movies together on WhatsApp, easily and in just a few minutes. You and your friend can both watch, talk, and enjoy the film at the same time. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.